So that's going to be coming down the pike, but I just wanted to sort of give a teeny update with that I'm working on that. And again, hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all my subbies, and I want to say what's up to all the newbies. Hey, checking me out for the very first time. I really do appreciate it. Get on in here. We're going to do a little bit of chit-chat. Just a little bit, okay? Just a teeny, tiny bit. If you guys know, all those who are initiated, do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Well, for all those who are initiated, you know it's about that time. You guys know that I check in and I do an update about every 4 weeks, because I trim every 4 and relax every 8, every 7 to 8. So now's about the time to sort of check in, make sure everything is going well. We're going to do a link check, and I'm going to do a little update. So I have 2 little updates, or really just 1 update. Okay, so when we last spoke about some of the products that I was using on my hair, I said that I was going to replace the Banditaire because it had ran out. You know, that was one of the 2 serums that I use on my hair as a finishing product. And I said that I was going to be trying the Theory Argan Oil Ultimate Reform Serum, which is this little bottle right here. It's just a travel size. So it's right here. And I said that they basically, again, Theory, that's my zhuzh, that's my go-to as far as hair products. You guys already know that, okay? So they do have the hair serums. They don't have this specific one. They have argan oil and something else. So I think it's argan oil and sage, argan oil and something else. So this is one of the original ones. It's the Argan Oil Ultimate Reform. And I said I was going to use that in lieu of the Banditaire because I ran out of that. And I really like it. I have used it before and I'm using it now. Again, I'm using it in conjunction with the Paul Mitchell. Okay, because me and Paul Mitchell, you know, we going steady as far as serums are concerned. And I'll never get rid of Paul Mitchell. So Paul Mitchell, I use a little bit of that, a little bit of this Ultimate Reform on my hair. Again, it's not heavy. My hair has been very light. Nothing has really changed as far as the feel of it. So I am liking it, okay? I am liking it. And what I may do is I may re-up on this, on the new version of this. But I do like it. I do like it. So this will be a new steady of mine, a new staple of mine. So this is a go. Hearts all around for that one, okay? So with that being said, and I don't necessarily have an update. If you saw my other video where I talked about a mini hair setback, which, you know, was just a little bit of the short hairs up in my crown, okay? And dealing with that as far as I said I was going to lay off the brushing. So I don't really have an update on that yet. I haven't seen any more breakage. So they seem not to be multiplying, so that's a good thing. And as far as the short hairs that I do have, they seem to be okay, but I'll give you an official check-in with that in about another few weeks when I relax. Because I'll be able to gauge, you know, how well it's growing back and well it's doing as far as the short hairs. But I wanted to give you just a little bit of tidbit on that yes, I do have a new blow dry routine that I will be doing, that we will be seeing, that I will be showing, okay? So that's going to be coming down the pike, but I just wanted to sort of give a teeny update with that I'm working on that. And again, it's just short hairs. It's not a whole bunch of breakage or anything like that. But I know since I mentioned it in a video, I figure I come in here and just give you guys the scoop, okay? And that, again, I'm still eyeballing it. I haven't seen any new breakage. So, you know, not brushing as much seems to be the cure for that, okay? Or not at all. No, I'll say not as much. And you'll see as far as the blow drying and whatever. So we're going to update on that. But that's the mini update on this, okay? So we got that out of the way. We got the 2 products. So we know what we are all here for. We're here for a length check, okay? We got to check it out. We got to make sure everything is still flowing. Make sure the fullness is still there. Make sure everything is still flowing. So we're going to do that really quickly. We're going to do the length check and then we'll come right back. Okay, guys, so I think we're doing very well. We're doing very well. We're keeping up with the regimen, right? And I'm keeping up with my trims. I am keeping my eyes on the problem area, okay? And just being mindful of that. And yeah, I feel very good. I feel very good. It feels good. It's still that middle part. Again, I always refer to it. It looks like it's staying up with the rest of my hair as far as growth. Again, those who may not be familiar, I believe the middle part of my hair grows a little slower than the rest of my hair. So I had to trim it, do a major trim. So basically everything seems to be lining up or lined up. And that's what we want, okay? So that has been the case so far and everything looks good. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. So yeah, in about another 3 to 4 weeks, we're going to relax and do the major trim. So I'm anticipating that it won't have to be a lot because as of recent, the last couple of go-rounds as far as relaxing my hair, it's just been almost dustings, you know, even for the major trim that I do on relaxer day. It's been just dustings because everything's been growing in pretty evenly. So I'm very satisfied with that. So yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy to report that I am happy, okay? So that was the length check-in. So yeah, we're doing very well, So with that being said, okay, moving right along. Someone mentioned about masks. You know, nowadays we're all staying protected, okay? And we're wearing masks more often and some for the very first time. And she had asked, and you know who you are, she had asked about breakage. She was having breakage, I guess, around the ears and just wondering, you know, how to safely wear the mask as well as not have to have damage from the mask as far as the hair is concerned. Now, I will say I haven't had an issue with breakage and masks, okay? I know that there are different type of masks, and I've been wearing the washable ones, okay? So the washable ones that have the material around the ear. They're somewhat elastic, but for the most part, it's material. You know, it's like a cotton, but it's a material and not the elastic ones, which a lot of the temporary ones, they're almost like the hair bands, okay? But they're a little softer. But I guess your hair can get caught in these, because I do wear these from time to time, you know, just if you're just running out. But with the elastic, your hair can get caught as you're putting it around your ears. And if you leave your hair down, some of your hair can get caught in that. And then, you know, throughout the day, you're moving your head or whatever, and you can have breakage. So I just wanted to come in here. And again, if you don't have access to the fabric ones, okay, because the fabric ones seem to be a lot more forgiving, okay, and they are. They're a lot more forgiving once you put it around your ears. I haven't had any issues as far as breakage wearing the fabric ones. I don't wear these a lot, but when I have, I just make sure that when I put the mask on, this is what I do. I put the mask on around my ears, and what I do is I lift up my hair. Okay, so now, no matter whether your hair is short or long, the whole idea is to clear your hair from around your ears before you put the elastic part on that can chafe and rub up against your hair and cause breakage. So I just literally lift it up and I put the mask on. Making sure that my hair has been cleared from the ear loop of the mask. And then I just let it down. And that's how I wear the mask, okay? So I just make sure that my hair is cleared from my ears, and I haven't had a problem as far as breakage wearing this type of mask with the elastic ear loops, okay? I just literally lift it up, clear it, put that on, and bring it back down. Now with those with shorter hair, same difference, same thing. I would still make sure my hair was cleared from my ear, loop that around. If those are the only ones that you have access to, and of course we want to be safe, okay? We want to be safe, so we got to wear the masks. So I would just loop it around my ears and make sure that the hair is clear. That's outside of wearing your hair in a ponytail or bobby pinning it up and away from your ears. But either which way, there is a way to be safe, wear the mask, and not lose your hair or cause breakage to your hair. Whether your hair is short or long, okay, I would just make sure that it's cleared out from around my ears. And again, there are different type of masks. They're the fabric ones, those with the elastic ear loops on them, okay? And if these are the only ones you have access to or can use, please use them and just make sure your hair is cleared. And there are also ones that are, they're like turtlenecks. So they sort of, you put them on and you bring it up around your nose and your mouth and you wear it like this, like a turtleneck, okay? So like a long turtleneck, but it's like a sleeve. So you put it, it looks like a sleeve. You put it on and you pull it up over your nose and your mouth. Those are also good for your hair, or it's not detrimental to your hair, I should say. It won't break your hair off because there are no ear loops in that one. It just pulls up, like I said, like a long turtleneck, okay? And it's basically a sleeve, like a sleeve mask, and it pulls up over your nose and your mouth. So those are also good for your hair and not breaking it off. So I'm hoping that I was able to address that. I did address it verbally, but you know what I say, I can show you better than I can tell you. So I wanted to show you exactly what I was talking about with regard to the masks and keeping our hair intact while we are keeping safe, because we can keep safe and wear the mask and also keep our hair intact, okay? We don't have to lose one to get the other, okay? So we're gonna stay safe, and that's how I do it. Just clear it out from around your ears as far as your hair. I wouldn't slick my hair down. I wouldn't slick it behind my ears. If you're wearing the elastic ones, I would clear out my hair from around my ears if and when using these particular masks with the elastic ear loops. Okay, guys, so that is pretty much it, okay? We were in and out, okay? So thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, if you guys have any updates, okay, because you know how we do it around here. I check in, you let me know, I let you know. We all a community up in here, okay? So I share a little, you share a little. If you feel like sharing, let me know down below how everything is going, your hair journey. Do you have any frustrations? Is everything going cool? Because we're supposed to be sticking with our regimen and we're supposed to be consistent. So that's what I want to hear, okay? So if you want to give me a little tidbit, just let me know down below, okay? It's all good. So yeah, we'll be back. We're going to be back talking about some more stuff. So you make sure you come on back, all right? Because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on